Wood!
Ah! You'll be alright.
First fish.
There we are.
Oh, nice.
Okay guys, welcome back to another episode of Fishing Nut. Where are we today, Tom?
We're at Hibaldstow Lakes.
Hibaldstow Lakes in Lincolnshire.
Yep, that's it.
And as you can see, if you can see behind us, it's got to be about 20 acres if it's a foot in it.
17 and a half today, mate.
Jesus.
17 and a half acres, yeah.
Okay, so
quarry.
Old quarry. So what sort of things can we catch today?
Oh, there's all sorts in here, bud, but we're after mainly the tench and the carp today.
Excellent.
Yeah, we'll see how it goes. So hopefully we'll get into a few.
Yeah, definitely. We have got a mysterious fisherman. It's your dad's, but he's not with us. He's just fishing the next peg.
He's over, yeah, just to the, to the right of us if we're looking at the lake. Yeah. He's over there, yeah. He's had one as well, hasn't he? He has.
He's asking to be thrown in. Anyway, guys, thanks very much for joining us. We're going to see you on this bank one day very soon, but tight lines, mate.
Yeah, tight lines.
Let's see how we get on. Yeah, the problem is it's gone straight into some weed. Still on. A lot of weed down there, mate. Should have been turned on, that. Carp! Yes, mate. Oh, it's feisty. About 3 pounder. Nice mirror. The hook's out. That's up. Yeah. Giving folks a better show. Nice little line to it. Yeah, come on in.
Alright. There we are.
That's a nice deal. You'll be alright.
First fish.
There we are.
Oh, nice.
Nice 4 pounder.
4 pounder, yeah, mate.
Lovely.
Beautiful. Let's have a close up of him.
That's it.
Yeah, lovely fish, mate, that.
Let's get it back.
Oh, it's a proper scaly one.
Jeez away. Beautiful. I tell you what, it's gin clear in it.
Oh yeah, you get well good footage of that going away. It's only a babby. It's literally swimming straight at me. Net then, dog. That's it. First, but by no means least. Lovely. That will do me. There we are, squid and octopus.
Yeah, that's what I
fishing nut baits.
Absolutely.
Beautiful. Well happy now. What about that then, Bailey? Fishy. Oh, he's got a black spot. Nothing. It's just a bit of character. Character. He's got some scars on him as well, battle scars. Nah. It's about half the size of my dad's, it was. Dirty pig. My old bottom lip. Oi, oi, oi. Oh, no. What's up, Bailey? What's this? Bailey? What's this? Huh? What's that? Fishy? Fishy? Oh, he's going alright, he won't hurt you. It won't hurt you.
What?
Ah! Oh no! Wow, okay. Carp. Are you really? Oh, you're joking. Come on. One in the net. Just getting ready to wade. One in the net. Getting ready to weigh that one. Well, not weigh it, we're going to get some pictures of it. We're about 4 pound tench. And yeah, the other one's just ripped off. Starting to really haul them in now. The only problem with this is, could have done, we're bringing 2 nets. Oopsie. Mad.
Hi guys, and welcome back to the old fishing nut hut, not the new one that's at your house.
Yeah, full of furniture at the minute. We're on a bit of a move around.
Yeah. So, and we went to Hibaldstow Lakes. It's been a couple of weeks since we've done it. Obviously, we've been on holiday and have a couple of bitsies.
Yeah, bits and bobs on.
Yeah, but it weren't a bad lake actually.
Oh, I liked it. Really. It was a good lake.
I mean, I always get intimidated by the bigger lakes because I like to fish the structure, but you seem fairly comfortable.
Yeah, no, I don't mind because the stock in there. There's a hell of a lot of fish in there, isn't there? It's absolutely rammed with tench, basically, isn't it? So it's almost a tench chuck.
Well, it started off pretty quiet, didn't it? Where it was, and
it was just where it's finding the bait, mate, and then they found it, and then it kept them there, and it was one after the other. I think I had 3 double takes in the end.
You had to put your rods away, didn't you?
I brought them in about 1 o'clock.
However, I did win our competition because I caught before you. Mind you didn't start fishing till midday because we had your dad with us.
I don't remember that at all, actually.
I distinctively do. I had a nice carp out first, which I like. But I want to talk about something about the lake that I love, breakfast.
Oh, yeah, it was lovely.
It was huge. Listen, it's like half a pound of meat in this thing.
Yeah, it was. 2 half-pound burgers, 3 sausages, a couple of bits of bacon, eggs, all the trimmings.
It was in there.
$6.50, I think, as well.
Yeah, a very good value. And if you eat 3 of them, you get it for free.
Yeah,
Listen,
they do a competition. Yeah, you order 3 and eat 3 in 15 minutes. You probably die. And
Yeah.
you don't have to pay though.
Because you won't be able to pay because you'll be dead.
That's it. Yeah, but no, it's a nice complex, mate. There's 3 lakes there, and he's thinking about opening another one soon, I believe. But yeah, they got the Specimen Lake, which is the one we was on, 17.5 acres.
It was big, wasn't it?
Yeah, nice one.
And everyone has a good day there. I mean, if you go to Hibaldstow Lakes on Facebook, you see some really nice pictures, don't you?
Yeah, it's an up and coming place, mate. It's gonna be.
It's gonna be big, isn't it?
What is it?
And Steve's really nice as well, the bailiff owner
the
sort of thing.
Steve, he's absolutely spot on. As soon as we got there, he put us straight on the fish. He basically told us what to do, and that was it. We followed that, and we was in, weren't we?
Yeah, I think if I like to give a fair criticism. The only criticism I had is that some of the areas, if you don't do your sort of detective work, it can be a bit weedy. I did get snapped up quite a bit. But the other thing is when you do get snapped up, or even when you get a fish to the bank and it comes off, which is what you'll see on the video, their mate comes and said, didn't he? Swam straight in front of us. It's rude. Absolutely rude.
Good mate, that one. He was on backup, wasn't he?
He was helping him tug himself off the line. But
no, there is
I really enjoyed it
in there, but you don't need to worry about it because you're told the spots as soon as you turn up. So you don't have to be sat there fishing in the weed.
No, you don't. I mean, he was perfectly honest with us. That it's just that I don't pay attention to what I'm doing, and they went in it.
Pub chops.
Yeah, it's too busy worrying about my next bit of breakfast.
I think you found the only boulder in the swim as well, didn't you?
Yeah, how funny was that? I mean, I've had that sort of luck from the start with the tennis ball fish, you remember? Yeah. So, anyway, guys, if you want to get down there, Hibaldstow Lakes, fantastic venue. We're looking forward to doing the other 2.
We've got the other 2 lakes.
You'll let all the people know when that will be coming up, and it'll be wonderful to see you down there. And big up to Steve, fantastic venue. If you do like your tench fishing, it's brilliant, isn't it?
It's one of the best. If my life depended on it and I had to catch a tench tomorrow, that's where I'd go.
I think it's a dead cert, isn't it? Yeah. Dead cert, and it is good, and they didn't bite midday, but they were going absolutely bananas in the evening.
It's one after the other 5-pounders as well, isn't it? They're not little tinkers. They're sort of 5.5 pound up to 7. We had on the day up to about £7. So
yeah, no, they were pestering you all night. In the end, he had to put his rods away.
I pulled them in, otherwise I just wouldn't have got any sleep.
Well, anyway, guys, thanks very much for joining us on another episode of Fishing Up. We have got some more bits coming up very, very soon. We're going fishing again in 2 days' time. First time in a month because we've had a bit of time off, haven't we? Yeah, but and what the lake we're going to is
Frog Hill, I think it is. I'm not sure if it's Frog Hill or Frog Hall, but yeah, one of the 2. But yeah, it's a nice little complex there as well. Bait shop, calf, everything. So yeah, we'll get the name straight, find the place, and get there, and catch a fish.
Absolutely. Right, guys, thanks very much for joining us here on Fishing Nut TV. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share, and do all the other beautiful stuff because we do like to pay homage to YouTube. And we'll see you again on the next trip. Tight lines, guys.
See ya. Have a look at Hibaldstow Lakes as well. They're on Facebook.
Don't forget it.
Yeah. See ya.